Alright, let's talk about the brand new Redmi 15C. Xiaomi's Redmi series is kind of legendary when it comes to giving you a lot of phone for not a lot of money, and this one is no exception. The Redmi 15C tries to push the boundaries of what you can expect from a budget device in 2025, but does it really deliver? Let's break it down. First up, the design. I gotta say, it feels way more premium than I expected. Curved edges, Gorilla Glass 3, slick glass back, eco-leather back. It's definitely not your average budget phone. And with IP64 splash and dust resistance, it's a pretty durable package too. Moonlight blue, mint green, midnight gray, twilight orange. Turn it around and boom! A massive 6.9-inch display. It's HD Plus on an IPS LCD, so it's not the sharpest out there. But what really makes it pop is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling and animations look super smooth. Watching videos and multitasking? Totally immersive, even if you're not getting full HD detail. Performance-wise, it rocks a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra with a Mali G52 GPU, paired with 4 GB of RAM. For basics like social media, streaming, and some gaming, it's smooth. If you want to play demanding games at high settings, you'll feel the limits. Software is Android 15 with HyperOS 2. Lots of features. Floating windows, dual apps, adaptive privacy tools, cameras, 50MP main shooter, decent daylight photos, 1080p video, selfies, 13MP front cam with HDR, battery, the real MVP, 6000 mAh, easily 2 days, 33W fast charging, 0 to 70% in under an hour, perfect for heavy users, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC depending on your region, headphone jack, FM radio, side fingerprint sensor. Now price. In Europe it starts at €129. In Nigeria you're looking at around N130K to N150K. So what's the verdict? If you want a giant display, killer battery, and a design that punches above its weight, the Redmi 15C is honestly one of the best buys in its class right now. You do have to live without 5G and settle for HD plus resolution, but at this price, those trade-offs are totally fair. I think Xiaomi just raised the bar for budget phones. Again.